Rigidized Metals has a great deal of experience with stainless steel roofing. One of the major challenges associated with restoring a roof is finding modern-day materials that resemble those originally installed on the building, while also preserving the structure and minimizing future modifications. InvariMatte will last as long as the building stands because the failure mode of the restored roof will be what the roof is fastened to and not the roof itself. InvariMatte's clean, modern appearance does not patina, but it does look like a historic tin roof when period-correct fabrication methods are applied. Let's look at some historic roof renovations. Austin Hall originally had a copper roof, but it weathered to failure after 100 years. Restorers wanted something more permanent, so they chose InvariMatte stainless steel. This dome looked authentic immediately upon installation of the InvariMatte flat lock shingles, thanks to the perimeter solder joints and forming techniques of old. Painted InvariMatte stainless steel provided a durable solution that retained the original appearance of the historic renovation of South Carolina's Brattonville's Brick House. This roof is an example of a Thomas Jefferson tin plate roof, and InvariMatte stainless steel is a high-tech modern material that resembles historic tin. The building is believed to have been built in 1843, and the restoration team worked to the original design intent, and the roof was recreated and replicated with modern materials. This close-up of the flat lock shingles shows how the period-correct appearance can be achieved when fabrication techniques of old are combined with modern materials. Here is the Sandy Hook Lighthouse in New Jersey, where painted InvariMatte solves the problem again, for a simple but important detail on the porch roof. The Milton Hershey School was endowed by the famed chocolatiers estate and provides a K-12 education for underprivileged children. John Milner Architects chose InvariMatte to restore the roof of the Kinderhouse because it most accurately depicted the original roof's appearance while also eliminating the burden of future maintenance. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigitex Corporation. We are the worldwide leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Visit us at rigidize.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.